Hey everyone, welcome back to the Elegancepreneur channel where we help you build profitable online businesses. In today's video, we're diving into the 10 best dropshipping niches for emerging markets in 2025. These are high demand and low competition niches perfect for smart entrepreneurs looking to tap into growing economies. So, if you're ready to stay ahead of the curve, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's jump in. Let's kick things off with the first 5 dropshipping niches that are making waves in emerging markets. 1. Affordable smart home gadgets. Think budget-friendly smart bulbs, plugs, and Wi-Fi cameras. As tech adoption grows, people want smart without spending big. 2. Eco-friendly household products. Reusable kitchen towels, biodegradable sponges, solar lights. Consumers are becoming more eco-conscious, especially younger buyers. 3. Health and wellness accessories. Neck massagers, portable humidifiers, posture correctors. Health is becoming a priority in fast-growing cities, but people want budget-friendly solutions. 4. Modest fashion and cultural wear. This includes hijabs, traditional African prints, or conservative fashion lines. It's underserved, especially with cultural pride rising. 5. Pet products. Pet ownership is increasing, especially among the middle class. Dropship things like grooming kits, feeding bowls, and pet clothes. Alright, now let's talk about niches 6 through 10 that are quietly booming in 2025. 6. Baby and maternity products, from portable baby beds to silicone feeding sets. These products are always in demand, especially with rising birth rates in emerging economies. 7. Budget-friendly fitness gear, resistance bands, yoga mats, waist trainers. As fitness culture spreads, many want at-home equipment that doesn't break the bank. 8. Mobile phone accessories. Pop sockets, affordable earbuds, wireless chargers. Smartphone use is exploding in these regions, and accessories are easy to sell. 9. Digital learning tools for kids, flashcards, educational toys, interactive workbooks. With more people valuing education, this niche has long-term potential. 10. Motorcycle and bike accessories. From mobile holders to helmets, this niche is growing fast, especially in areas where two-wheelers are a common mode of transport. There you have it, 10 profitable dropshipping niches perfect for emerging markets in 2025. Remember, success comes from finding the right product, localizing your offer, and marketing smart. Let me know in the comments which niche you're most excited about, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future updates. Catch you in the next video.